You look so good across the room. Should've left you over there. Then you walked up and started talking, and the magic disappeared. You walked over like a daydream. Then you opened up your mouth. 5 minutes into talking, all the butterflies flew south. You said, baby, I'm complicated. Like that made you some prize. No, honey, you're a warning label with really pretty eyes. I wanted tall, dark, handsome, someone funny, smart, inspired. Somehow ended up with someone, some assembly required. Missing screws, no directions, and your warranty expired. I could probably try to fix you, but I'm frankly too damn tired. You own 3 gaming consoles, but somehow can't pay rent. Took you 45 whole minutes to explain what your K-text meant. You say you're working on yourself. You've been working there for years. At this point I'd call your manager, 'cause nothing's happening here. You said I was too demanding, like my standards were a crime. Baby, all I ever asked you was to show up there on time. I wanted tall, dark, handsome, someone funny, smart, inspired. Somehow ended up with someone, some assembly required. Missing screws, no directions, and your warranty expired. I could probably make you better, but I'm frankly uninspired. I don't need Prince Charming. Hell, I've lowered that request. Just remember my birthday and occasionally get dressed. Know the difference between flirting and collecting every ex. And if I have to raise you, honey, I'm claiming you on tax. So I'm boxing up the pieces of the man that I acquired. No exchanges, no replacement, no more getting my hopes higher. You look so good across the room. Should've left you over there. Next time I see something